I've been using these headphones from Oladance for about 2 weeks now, and I am obsessed. I've been having issues with headphones for years because I can't actually put anything inside my ears. My ears are too small and they end up falling off, but these are perfect because they don't actually go inside your ear. First off the bat, look how beautiful this case is. I love how beautifully displayed they are, nice and easy to see them all, and actually they get charged inside the case. So when you pick this up and turn it over, you'll see right here, this is actually how it's going to charge. So this connects with inside your case and that will charge. And this right here is where the music's going to come out of. And here, of course, I love that they say right and left so you know which ear that it goes on. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring that up. And so it just hooks over your ear and sits like that. And look, just like it's already connected. So it connects very, very quickly, which is really great. So this just sits over your ear. So I've got that speaker going right into my ear so I can hear that music. This piece here just acts like a weight so that it keeps it in place. But look at this. Look at that. You could be at the gym. You could be like running at the gym and it's not even going to fall off. And that's the best part because my issue was they were always falling out of my ear. It's got a really nice bass. It's nice and clear. As I said, as soon as I open it up and I put them on, they connect right away. It was easy to pair them. They last a really long time as soon as you put them in here. They start charging because it charges through that case. And of course, you can you turn up and down the volume here. You can change the song, pause the song. You can do that all from right here and not even having to touch your phone. These things are fantastic.